Are Zep cleaning products safe to use? In today's video, we are going to take a look at the Zep Toilet Bowl Cleaner. We are going to see what is this product, how does it look like, how to use it, and let's dive right in. So here is the Zep Acidic Toilet Bowl Cleaner. This is a pro-strength thick acidic gel. So it comes in gel and it clings to inside of a bowl. That's what it does. It removes soils, rust, hard water, and stains. That's what this does. And this is a 2x thicker, so it is very thick, and it says it's trusted pro quality since 1937. It does specify the dangers that come with this in case some danger causes eye, skin, mucus, membrane burns, may be fatal swallowed. So you have to be careful when you are using this. And it says it's harmful if absorbed through skin. So whenever you are using this, you have to use the gloves, and that's what I do. And so we'll take a look at the back and see what exactly is at the back of this. Looking at the back, it says Zep Acidic Toilet Bowl Cleaner, and pros knows that acid are required to dissolve soils, hard water buildup, and rust in toilets. These professional grade acidic formula cleans longer to remove stains with less scrubbing, leaving a fresh winter green fragrance. And it have an image here. It says apply under rim and around sides. Also, you wait 5 minutes before using, scrub and flush. So 5 minutes, once you put it in around the rims inside, you wait 5 minutes and then you scrub and then flush it. So for use on toilet bowls and urinals, safe for septic tanks, drain lines, and water treatment system. Not used on skin, bathtubs, countertops, floors, or any enamel surfaces. So these are the things you cannot use the Zep Toilet Bowl Cleaner for. You cannot use it on your skin. You cannot use it to clean your bathtubs. You cannot use it on your countertops. You cannot use it on floors or any enameled surfaces. So these are the things you have to keep in mind. This is good for toilet bowls and urinals. It's safe for septic tanks, drain lines, and water treatment systems. So this is the ones that you can use it for. And then directions is right here. To use it, it says apply under rim and around sides, wait 5 minutes, scrub and flush. For urinals, remove screens, apply at least 4 ounces around edges and top. Wait 5 minutes before scrubbing. Flush to rinse. And you should avoid contact with toilet seats or lids, chrome, brass, decorative metal surfaces, marble, clothing, and carpeting. So avoid using it on all those things that I just mentioned. You cannot use it on toilet seats or lids. You cannot use it on chrome. You cannot use it on brass. You cannot use it on decorative metal surfaces, marble. You cannot use it on clothing and carpeting. So keep that in mind when you are using this. It tells you what it contains. Hydrochloric acid is what contains in it. So there is an acid that helps to dissolve any water stains. So it has all that. And then there is also first aid. First aid for your eye. Immediately flush eyes with plenty of water for at least 15 minutes. Get medical attention immediately. So if you put it on your eyes, remember that if you put it on your skin, remove contaminated clothing if it's in your clothes. Flush skin with plenty of water for 15 minutes. Get medical attention immediately. So those are the things you have to keep in mind. If you inhale this, get to fresh air. If irritation persists, get medical attention. These are the things you have to keep in mind. Also, ingestion. Do not induce vomiting. If a person is conscious, give plenty of water to drink. Get medical attention immediately. And so this is what contains in all the safety guidelines that comes with the Zep Toilet Bowl Cleaner. It says it contains hydrochloric acid. For more ingredient information, you have to visit their website to have that. It says Zep Pro Tips removes the toilet seat to clean hidden soils under seat brackets. And then also try Zep Shower. So these are the other products of the Zep. Another Zep cleaning product that you can try is they have the Zep Shower, Zep Bath, and Tiles for soap, scums, and stains removal. on other fixtures in the bath. So they do have for the shower the Zep cleaning gel for the shower. They also have for the bath the tub and the tiles specifically. For this one, it's just for the toilet and for the rims of your toilet to remove any stains. And remember that Zep toilet bowl cleaner is maintaining and hygienic toilet bowl is very essential for a healthy bathroom environment. So Zep toilet bowl cleaner is a powerful solution that removes tough stains, mineral deposits, and bacteria from your toilet bowl. It's thick in gel formulated, so this comes in gel, and then if we actually open this doesn't really come out, but you just twist it to the left like that, and then it twists, and then it's just a gel that comes out. So you can see that is a gel. So you see that is a gel that comes out. Really, it's nothing really that you need. You can see how jelly it is. It's green gel, and then you just pour that into your toilet bowl. And because this is acidic, you have to be careful how you use it. When you are using it, you use gloves, and I use eyeglasses when I'm using this to protect my eye, and also use gloves to protect my hands before I use it. And once you finish using it, I make sure that I really wash my hands with soap, make sure there is nothing clinging anywhere. And so that is the overview of the Zep Acidic Toilet Bowl Cleaner. It does really work. Let me know where you are watching from, and if you have any questions about this, put it in the comment section below for me to know how to use this. Let me show you in the next video. And so to open this, you just twist this to the left like that, and then it opens. You can see the hole goes in, the little thing goes in like that. And then to close it, you just push it back, and then you can see how it's just filling it up, and that's it. And then it's safe. You always want to keep this in a safe place.